Hi guys, this is going to be really quick because I've got a patient waiting downstairs, but I've just seen a patient that's come in with hip issues, knee issues, outside of the knee, all sorts of weird wonderful things going on. One of the things that she was told on, and this is outstanding really, it's on the world of Facebook. People go to Facebook for all sorts of weird wonderful health advice. You wouldn't ask how to do your accounts on Facebook, so stop going to Facebook asking how to fix your issues. Please, come and see us, go and see someone local to yourself, just get it done. But anyway, while this person was on Facebook, they got told to go and use one of these to fix their ITB issues. All right, and they've been rolling up and down their ITB and it's causing them pain, and rightly so. All right, it's a fascial band. It's fascia. It's not muscle. At the top, it's muscle. Lots of muscles all come together at the top in your glutes, so your bum muscles and your hips. They all come together. They create this tight fascial band that goes down the leg and attaches below the knee. Now, fascia, all right, or the ITB. Back in 2008, all right, Chowdhury and others published a paper in the Journal of the American Osteopathic Association that stated that it takes approximately 2,000 pounds of pressure to manipulate just 1% of the fascia in an ITB. 2,000 tons of pressure to get 1% of extra length. Put that in perspective, guys. You're not going to be able to apply even 1,000 pounds of pressure physiologically against your ITB without you just bursting into pure tears. All right, so stop grabbing this. All right, this is not going to help. All right, guaranteed it's not going to help, so stop using it. All right, don't use it on the fascial band. Move this into the glutes or the TFL, which is on the side. All right, so on your bum, on your hip, all that sort of area, on your big muscle tissue. Start using it on the muscle tissue. If not, get one of these, all right? Absolutely brutal, all right? But get one of these, and you can use these in your bum muscles, all right? You'll probably get more than that, okay? So, telltale signs, all right? If you've got ITB issues, you'll find that you get a bit of discomfort on the outside of your knee, just below it, all right? If that's occurring, get one of these, start working, start foam rollering in the glutes, all right? Start trigger point balling in the glutes and the side of your hip. Stop using the foam roller on the side of your leg, working on your ITB, because it's going to do naff all other than hurt. See you later.